Sashisin Biang ke St.Peters High Secondary School, Kalara ia kenam ladu lanu overall champion ha ke lempeng district level inter-school sports meet ke Balai Pau, Balapenya da ke district sports officer West Khasi Hills, ringkat pat ke NDSA Hanong Pathar Stadium. Kenam ladu usya ke St.Peters High Secondary School, kadai hadian bakalakur bon ki points na ki kerdan jingya le kai bapher ki baladap pan pelong ha ki ni ki lai singi kanthi kata nadu ka singi balang ka badai ar phaulai tarik nalor ka nam ladu shak school St. Peters High Secondary School kiladan ki wei pat ki khus nam bakham kerpang ki bakan thop ya ka best under 14 boys sha uloki John Lengkhoi Jangga Bethel Presbyterian Secondary School, but best under 14 girls, Shaka Merciful Yong Jangga Borsing Memorial Secondary School. Nangta best under 16 boys, layo da wante kerpang marbanyang, Jangga Sip Sing High Secondary School, but best under 16 girls, Shaka Dolly Lengdok Nonglat Jangga Bosco Secondary School. Shu, haka best under 18 boys, layo da Open Shai Manik Harbani, Jangga Sip Sing High Secondary School. But best under 18 girls, Shaka Yoris Im, Jangka Maurang Secondary School, Rambrai. Yaka nam best team under 14 boys, layo da Nongstoin Public Secondary School, but under 14 girls, da Borsing Memorial Secondary School. Best team under 16 boys, layo da St. Peters High Secondary School, but best team under 16 girls, layo da Maurang Secondary School, Rambrai. Haka under 18 boys, layo best team na Sip Sing High Secondary School, but under 18 girls layo da Maurang S Secondary School, Rambrai. Ya kanam ladu haka match pass layo da Mount Herman Academy Secondary School Nongstoin, but ya kanam baar layo da Nongstoin College High Secondary Section. Ya kini ki khusnam layo bansam da ikong Darlene Khonglam, Sports Officer, Office of the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, ibadai ru ikong san ibalawan khnang, ban ay mensiem ay kublay bat penkut ya kanikal lumpung bamenta usnam. Kiway pat kibaladan benta hagbasami ki khusnam kilong i-District Sports Officer West Khasi Hills District, ikong ballerinas iem, nang ta kinong syakhat ngobha ki principal, kinong hikay bat kiway.
Dihantu kinamdon ni Kisam ni ka ya Yoris Im. Yoris Im nakikintay dari pensyai manik. Tutuloy! Pasyang Mangkes! 16 category. Pak jom kami ka lempong yang tunduk macam ni. Mana yang Maurang Secondary School itu layo itu best team atau under 16 atau under 18 girls. Saya siap top team nak kata tu. Tanah kikentai under 6. So congratulations nak kata di under 18 boys and girls. Best team from the girls under 16 from Maurang Secondary School. Borsing Merciful Biang. Merciful Biang Borsing Memorial Secondary School. Ang under 14 category ayo ang best athlete Lucky John. Congratulations ya Nongstoin College Higher Secondary Section. Thank you. Congratulations, St. Peters.